a lot of parents who don't know a lot about the manufacturing field, they think of the manufacturing areas as being, like dirty. I mean, I've been into some of these manufacturing plants like Trumpf and Farmington, and you could eat off the floor. I mean, they're like pristine, like it's like being in a hospital. They're clean, they're bright. They have beautiful big green grassy areas where people are having lunch outside. They're just beautiful places to work. It's just highly technical, really cool stuff. The things that they're making are unbelievable. So I think there's a false narrative out there of people who don't know what manufacturing is. It's really really neat stuff that the kids are doing, and to see the excitement on a 14-year-old kid's face when they've made a part that can fix something, or to make something work in a car, or it's priceless to see how excited kids get when they make something that's going to make a difference.